Hi there, friends! Are you ready to whip up something that's not just healthy, but absolutely delicious? Today, I'm sharing my go-to smoothie recipe that's packed with nutrients, super quick to make, and will leave you feeling amazing. Whether it's breakfast, a snack, or a post-workout treat, this is it. So grab your blender and let's get started. Here's what we'll need. 250 milliliters of skim milk. It's creamy, but keeps things light. 1 banana, sliced up. Doesn't have to be perfect, just chop it up. 1 apple, diced with the skin, because that's where all the goodness is. A tablespoon of chia seeds for those omega-3s and fiber, and a tablespoon of flaxseed meal. Hello, superfood power. See? Simple stuff, nothing fancy, but it's about to taste amazing. Let's get blending. First, we're going to pour 250 milliliters of skim milk into the blender. That's our base, nice and smooth. Next up, let's toss in that sliced banana. Bananas are like magic. They make smoothies naturally sweet and creamy. Now grab your diced apple and throw it in there, skin and all. Trust me, it adds this fresh, crisp flavor that you'll love. All right, let's blend this up until it's nice and smooth. Ready? Hit that button. Okay, now that it's silky and blended, it's time to supercharge this smoothie. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds, little powerhouses full of nutrients. Then, in goes a tablespoon of flaxseed meal. These two are like the dynamic duo of healthy eating. Give it one more blend, and we're done. Pour it into your favorite glass. Look how creamy and delicious that is. And now, my favorite part, taste test. Oh, wow. This is so good, creamy, fruity, and you can just feel how healthy it is. Seriously, this smoothie is like a hug in a glass. If you try this recipe, let me know how much you loved it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your smoothie-loving friends. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep blending.